Hey, this is Yogi. Bryan, welcome to the video. This is a great yoga meditation flow if you're having a bad day and you might have some haters out there and you might have had some bad comments on your social media posts. I don't know. But this meditation and yoga is really going to help you out. Now, this does contain bad language, so if you're sensitive to bad language, don't watch this video. Watch another yoga or meditation channel because this channel is not going to be for you then. So anybody still watching, come to an easy seat, legs crossed. We're going to start out with just a grounding, breathing technique. So palms facing down, eyes closed, chin slightly tucked. You can sit on a chair if you'd like. But just pay attention to your breath. Bring your fucking mind to the present moment. So your mind might be all over the place. Maybe you're thinking about the meeting or some shit you're worrying about. Just bring your fucking mind to your yoga mat and come back to your breath. So just pay attention to your breath and observe your body and see if there's any places in your body you need to relax, maybe the shoulders, maybe the jaw, maybe your eyes. Just stop fucking overthinking it. How about that? There you go. Just in and out. Natural breath here. Nothing to do, nothing to control. It's not that fucking hard. Now start to take control of your breath. Match your inhales with the exhales. So in through the nose, out through the nose. Match your inhales with your exhales. There you go, starting to relax, aren't you? Bringing your mind back to the body, centering yourself, being in the fucking present moment. So inhale. On an exhale, nose comes to chest. Stretch out the neck a little bit. Paying attention to your fucking body. I'm not your body. I'm not in your body. So you need to listen to your body. Stretch and tension's good. Sharp pain is bad. So if you feel sharp pain, you're not going to win a fucking yoga championship on YouTube watching me, okay? So just listen to your body. Your body's going to be different every day. Inhale, nose comes back to center. Exhale, left ear to that left shoulder. There you go. Breathe. Eyes can be open or closed. Inhale, head comes back to center. Exhale, right ear, right shoulder. Keep that jaw relaxed. You like to clench the jaw, stop it right fucking now. Inhale, back to center. Exhale, nose to chest. Inhale, bring it up. Exhale, left ear, left shoulder. Inhale, coming up. Exhale, over right. Inhale, coming up. Take that a few rounds on your own, one breath per movement. So inhale. Exhale, nose to chest. Inhale up. Exhale, over left. Inhale up. Exhale, over right. Inhale up. Exhale to chest. Finish up that last round. Don't fucking rush it. Come back to center. Maybe shake out the shoulders, shake out the head. And then take some circles with the hips. So just come around, take some fucking circles. Don't be a square, take some circles. And you're not going to do this perfect. You're not going to be a perfect yogi, okay? Cut that shit out. You're not perfect. You're exactly where you need to be right here, right fucking now, watching me on YouTube now. Take the circles the other direction. Yes, feeling the hip circling around. Just feeling that spiraling energy with the body, yes. And then come back to center. Maybe switch out the legs. So switch out the legs and then take your circles. Woo! I'm loving these. I'm loving this today. Oh, yeah. Circle time. Take it the other direction. There you go. All right, coming back to center. Coming back to center. Keeping those legs crossed, chin slightly tucked. We're going to fucking ground ourselves now. We're going to feel more grounded energy. The song here that you're listening to is called Earth by DJ Taz Rashid. Earth. We're going to send the fucking grounding energy into the earth. Woo! We're supported. The earth supports us. So let's feel that grounding energy. So inhale, arms come high, gaze through those fingers. So you're looking up, but be careful with your neck. If this is hurting your neck, just keep your head this way. Looking up if you can. Exhale, press your hands fucking down. Feel that grounded fucking energy. Bring it all to the ground. Yes. Inhale, reach the arms up. Gaze through those fingers. Exhale, press those fucking hands down. Do it. Press those hands down. There you go. Feel that grounding energy. Inhale, reaching up. Exhale, press the hands down. Ground your fucking self. One more time. Inhale, reach them up. Exhale, press the hands down. Ground yourself. There you go. Shake it out a little bit. Shake it out a little bit. There you go. There you go. Okay. We're going to do this flow here. This is great to shake the haters off or shake that negativity off, or family members, or just any of that funky shit that someone's bringing to you. This is how to shake it the fuck off, okay? So legs crossed here. You're going to inhale, reach the arms high. And then on exhale, right hand comes down to that left shoulder. And this left hand just stays right here. And then you're going to look to the left and you're going to shake it off. Just like that, like you're shaking shit off your shoulder. You're shaking those haters off your shoulder. You're shaking that negative vibes off your shoulder. Okay, spiral the arms up. Exhale, let's get that other shoulder. So right arm comes around, left hand to that right shoulder. Shake it off, gaze over to the right. There you go, shake it off. Like actually feel like the shit, the haters are just shaking off your shoulders. There you go. Inhale, spiral the arms up. Exhale, right hand to that left shoulder, shake it off. Fuck y'all. There you go. Yeah, I cuss. Who cares? Inhale, reach the arms up. Exhale, dust it off the right shoulder. There you go. You're starting to feel better, aren't you? You're starting to feel better. You know, I'm not your fucking guru. You're your own guru, okay? You're your own guru. Try and say that 10 times fast. It's a tongue twister. You're your own guru. Shake it off. The left. Inhale, reach it up. Exhale, shake it off to the right. Let's flow it out. Inhale, reach it up. Gaze through the fingers. Exhale, shake it off to the left. Inhale, reach it up. Exhale, shake it off to the right. One more time. Inhale, reach it up. Gaze up to the sky. Exhale, shake it off left. Inhale, reach it up. Exhale, over to the right. And there you go. Shake it out. Shake it out. Get the funkiness out of you. Shake it out. There you go. There you go. Shake out your head. Relax that RBF. Okay, let's get the legs out in front of you. I'm sitting on a Ajna well-being cushion. If you have a block, you can sit on a block, or if you're on the floor, just sit on the floor. Flex the feet. Inhale, reach the arms up. Exhale. Hinge at the waist, fold it forward. Keep the back as straight as you can until you can't keep it straight anymore, then round the spine. Coming down to your seated forward fucking fold. seated fucking forward fold. This is a tongue twister class today. Just breathe. Just breathe. Relax the shoulders. I'm stiff as fuck. I'm a yoga teacher and I'm stiff as fuck. Like, my hips are fucking stiff. So if you think the more you do yoga, the more flexible you're going to be, sometimes your body's just not going to, sometimes your body's going to be like, nope, this is how far you're going to be. But just keep practicing and don't judge yourself, because you are exactly where you need to fucking be right now. Slowly come up one vertebra at a time. I always say vertebrae, but it's vertebra. Legs come crossed. We're going to have the palms facing up this time. We're going to close our eyes. We're going to feel our breath, feel that energy. And feel the release of all that negative energy that you just shake the haters off, and shake that negative energy off your shoulders. You feel lighter, don't you? You feel light and ready to tackle the day, because you can only control you. You can only control you. There's so many things we can't control, but we can control our breath and our actions. It's just so nice to know. Taking 5 breaths here on your own in silence. On an inhale, reach the arms up to the sky, gaze through those fingers, hands meet. Exhale, bring the hands down to heart center. Eyes closed, chin slightly tucked. We're going to wrap this fucking class up right here. Inhale deeply through the nose. Exhale, open the mouth, sigh it out, let that shit go. Oh, feels so good. One more time, inhale deeply through the nose. Exhale, let that shit go, sigh it out. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. Hope you have a great, amazing fucking day today. Namaste. Thank you so much, yogis, for watching this video and practicing with me. I know I do things a little bit different, and I know the cussing thing is a little different, but that is what I love to do, and I hope it really helps you out. Subscribe to the channel, tell your friends. I would really appreciate it. Check out the Yogi Show podcast, and I appreciate each and every one of you. Remember, gratitude, gratitude, gratitude.